Do you want to submit a single photo and earn $190 in return? Now you can do this for unlimited submissions. But here's the best part. You don't need a camera or take any pictures yourself. Stay with me and I will show you for the free tool where you can do this in less than 8 minutes of work and get paid more than you expect. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, so first of all, the website you'll be using is called spark.adobe.com. This is the platform where you can complete work in under 8 minutes and then make hundreds of dollars with a second website, which I'll show you later. This is a completely free online tool with hundreds of thousands of various templates to help you build professional-looking designs. So you can just go to Adobe Spark and learn more about the different types of designs you can create with this application. So what exactly can you perform with Adobe Spark? You can produce distinctive designs in a flash with social media visuals, and you wouldn't need any design expertise. And that is just what we will be discussing here today. Flyers, logos, videos, banners, posters, slideshows, and YouTube thumbnails are among the other items you can create. But we're not going to focus on those. For the time being, we'll target images that we can generate in a matter of minutes, distribute instantaneously, and then get paid through the internet. It's also fine if you don't have access to laptop or computer. Even if you only have your phone, you can still do this. Because they have their own app for both iOS and Android right now. Now all you have to do is search for Adobe Spark in the App Store or Google Play Store and install it. This is completely free, and you can then make those graphics on your phone while still earning money per image. So even with just your phone, you can make hundreds of dollars every day. You can do this even if you're lying in bed with your phone in your hand. It's going to be quite simple. So as we continue with Adobe Spark, go on and click Get Started Now, so you can create an absolute free account. After doing that, you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple account, with your email, or with Adobe ID. Signing up with Facebook is the quickest and easiest way to sign up in my experience. So just click Continue with Facebook, and it will take you to your fresh new account right away. You will be able to view all of the different templates from this page once you register a new Adobe Spark account. You have a variety of graphic designs to choose from, with the majority of them already completed for you. You only need to edit the text and display itself in such a way that it will become your own unique design. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment down below for me to review. Now let's get back to work. Let us take a little step back, shall we? After creating your account, you can now create Instagram stories, Instagram post, Facebook post, photo collage, presentation, slideshow, branded images, and custom-sized graphics. And all of these different templates are available. You can even create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, so on and so forth. So let's say I'd want you to use the flyer design graphics template as an example. I'm just going to click on that to demonstrate how simple it is. You can essentially modify everything once it's loaded. All you have to do now is click the text and type whatever you'd want. Let's imagine I want to add the words OMP or Online Money Plug to the text. It will apply to this image once you've done that. You may now alter the colors, font, and size, and you can modify everything virtually. Different forms, shadows, motions, and contours can be added too. You can now choose from a variety of templates on the left-hand side if you don't like this one. As a result, I think I'd prefer this one. I may select Create from this template and wait for the page to load. Let's imagine I wish to type in online money plug once more. It will now appear like this. You can even change the background image if you wish to. You can replace an image if you wish to. So it's completely adjustable and extremely easy to use. And you can make a variety of different designs using various templates. And then once you've finished designing, you can either click the download button right here to download the image to your computer right away. After you've downloaded it and want to get rid of the watermark, simply crop it to remove it from the bottom. And you're good to go. So that's how simple it is to create such designs with Adobe Spark. Because those templates are 90% completed for you, and they actually take a few minutes to accomplish. Now that we've explored the websites you can use to edit images, it's time for me to show you which websites will actually pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you made. DesignCrowd.com is the name of the website. This is a site where you can always get rewarded for unique styles. They will pay you for logo designs, business card design, web design, flyer design, graphic design, and t-shirt design, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 8 minutes. Right now, if you go to the designers and choose graphic designers as an example, you will find people from all over the world getting money. People from Serbia have made $35,000 with this website. India has made almost $26. The United Kingdom has made nearly $25,000. Romania, the United States, South Africa, Malaysia, and the Philippines, and there are many more. If you choose logo designers, for example, you will find that others are generating even more money. This person earned $280,000. This person earned $280,000. This person earned $243,000 in the Philippines. This person earned $260,000 in India and the United States, and many others. With DesignCrowd.com, you can make loads of money. It's a great website that pays well for designs that take less than 8 minutes to complete. Now, if we go to the job section right here, you'll notice that you can make all of those designs and get paid for it. You can make anything from a logo design all the way down to the Twitter design in less than 8 minutes with Adobe Spark. Isn't that insane? So let's suppose you want to focus on graphic designs. If you click on that, you'll be able to see a list of different jobs that are now available. There are currently 11 jobs available for more than $100 each, and you may submit your own designs and earn over $1,300 for all 11 jobs for work that takes less than 8 minutes. Keep in mind that the new jobs will be added all of the time, so you'll never run out of things to do in any of those sectors. Of course, you can choose from a variety of designs to earn a variety of opportunities with only a simple task employing Adobe Spark. To begin using DesignCrowd, go to the top of the page and select Join for free. You must first enter your email address, then establish a password before clicking Let's Go. You can immediately begin viewing all of these different jobs after you join up and connect into your brand new account. And once you've found one you like, simply click on it. Submit your design and wait to see if you've made any money. Now, in the prior scenario, submitting your work to all 11 jobs will earn you $1,300. How can you cash out and withdraw money from the website now? Okay, it's actually quite basic and straightforward. So after start earning money, simply go to your profile and click Profile Settings. Then on the left side, find and select Payouts and choose your payment option. After which, you can enter your payment information. So in my case, I just typed in my PayPal email address because I want to be paid by PayPal. Otherwise, you may simply click on Add a Payment Method and choose how you wish to be paid. And that is how you will be able to collect your profits once you've started earning. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.